Petrify. To make someone feel extremely frightened. The sudden roar of thunder could petrify even the bravest person. Nostalgic. A sentimental longing for the past. Listening to the old song made him feel nostalgic about his childhood. Pensive. Deep in thought, often with a hint of sadness. She looked pensive as she gazed out of the window. Serenade. A musical performance, typically done to express romantic feelings. He decided to serenade her under the balcony. Jubilant. Extremely joyful. The team was jubilant after winning the championship. Amiable. Friendly and pleasant. Her amiable personality made her easy to approach. Zealous. Showing great enthusiasm or devotion. She was zealous about protecting the environment. Luminous. Emitting bright light. The moon was luminous in the night sky. Exquisite. Extremely beautiful or delicate. The artwork was an exquisite masterpiece. Mellifluous. Sweet-sounding, pleasant to hear. Her mellifluous voice captivated the audience. Pristine. In its original condition, unspoiled. The beach was pristine, untouched by human activity. Candid. Honest and straightforward. She gave a candid response to the tough question. Enigmatic. Mysterious and difficult to understand. The old book contained enigmatic symbols that puzzled scholars. Harbinger. A sign or indication of something to come. The dark clouds were a harbinger of an approaching storm. Mirth, amusement or happiness. The comedy show filled the room with laughter and mirth. Vivid, bright and distinct in color. The sunset painted the sky in vivid shades of orange and pink. Zephyr, a gentle, mild breeze. The zephyr rustled the leaves in the quiet forest. Incandescent, emitting light as a result of being heated. The incandescent bulb illuminated the room. Munificent, more generous than is usual or necessary. Her munificent donation greatly benefited the local charity. Supple, flexible and graceful in movement. The gymnast demonstrated supple agility in her routines. Exuberant, full of energy, excitement, and cheerfulness. The children were exuberant on the playground. Mellower, calmer and more relaxed. As the evening progressed, the atmosphere became mellower. Delectable, extremely pleasing to the senses, especially taste. The chef prepared a delectable dish that delighted everyone. Meticulous, showing great attention to detail, very careful and precise. The artist was meticulous in every brushstroke. Rambunctious, energetic, noisy, and difficult to control. The rambunctious puppies played in the backyard. Languid, lacking energy or vitality, slow and relaxed. On lazy Sundays, they enjoyed a languid afternoon nap. Cognizant, aware and mindful of something. She was cognizant of the potential challenges ahead. Supine, lying on the back, facing upward. He lay supine on the grass, enjoying the warmth of the sun. Exemplary. Serving as a desirable model, outstanding. His exemplary leadership inspired the entire team. Truncate. To shorten by cutting off a part. He had to truncate the speech to fit within the time limit. Melancholy. A feeling of deep sadness or sorrow. The rainy weather brought a sense of melancholy to her mood. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more.